In this video, I will show you how to view WhatsApp images on your iPhone. So if you want to view WhatsApp images on your iPhone, there are a couple of things that you can do. So let's head over to WhatsApp. And first of all, we are going to the settings tab. And once we are in there, we're going to scroll down a little bit and then we're going to click on storage and data. And in our storage and data, it is pretty important that we have photos set to Wi-Fi and cellular. So let's go ahead and click on this. And if you have put this to never, then you will also never download any images from WhatsApp, and then you won't be able to view them on your iPhone. So it is important to have this on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and cellular. So let's go back right now. And in here, we are going to click on chats. And from our chats, we are going to this person in here. And now we are going to take a photo. So let's allow WhatsApp access to the camera and let's allow full access to our gallery. And now we're going to make this photo in here and we're going to send this photo. And right now, when we are going to our gallery on our phone, we will see that this photo will be visible in our photos. So let's click on photos in here. So let's go over to our albums. So let's scroll down all the way. And then click on albums in here. And now we see that there is a new album called WhatsApp. And all of our photos that we take ourselves and are being sent to us will be stored in this WhatsApp album. So you can just go ahead and view this image in here. And that is basically how you can view it on your photos. But you can also view it from WhatsApp itself. So let's go to WhatsApp. And from WhatsApp, we're going to click on search. And now we are going to click on photos. So when we click on photos in here, we will also see that photo. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.